Hey, what's up? I'm Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today's going to be a short one. It's a 19 GT automatic running 93 octane ROUSH supercharged. We're going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to go down, take a look at a couple other mods we installed in this car. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date. I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, I'll tell you what. I'm big and I like gray cars, but this car looks really cool. Drop top, red, black top, black wing, black wheels. I love it. But Doug, come down, take a look at this. We have the ROUSH. It's a TVS 2650. This car came in as a phase 1 kit. We upgraded to our phase 2. Also have the coil covers on it. We did set a stainless power, long tube headers, and a rear cylinder head cooling kit. Because you know, I always love cooling mods. We are going to watch that dyno pull. But hey, it's the 2650. I will put a link in the description. As I'm mentioning this, you want to read a little bit more about it, just open that up. You can click on and read about the parts we installed. But now let's watch this dyno pull. All right, we're gonna look at these numbers and then we're gonna go take one more look at the car and talk about what's in that upgrade package. But check it out, Dynojet SAE, 687, real horse peaking at 7,400. That's again 93 octane, 586 torque, which you gotta love, peaking at 4,800. You know, these phase 2 kits come in right around 11, 12 pounds of boost, which is, you know, pretty much where you wanna be on 93 octane. But what is a phase 1 to phase 2 upgrade? Basically, we're doing a tune. We're doing a nice big VMP heat exchanger. I will put a link again in that description. Like I mentioned before, you can open up, see what those parts cost. But hey, we're located in Indiana. You email quote at brenspeed.com and say, hey, what's that cost to get installed? Subscribe, notify, leave that comment if you have questions. I think this car is pretty sweet. You know, probably wouldn't own a red car. We get a lot of red cars in here, but this one right here is really growing on me. I love the look. It's summertime, time for the top down. He's gonna love this car. Thanks for watching.